Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? Vechain holder, this is live price prediction in upcoming time. Definitely, there is a lot of chances to Vechain price will pumps up, and they will give you a very good profits now. But this time, my friend, the condition is very critical now. So let's see, my friends, to what we will need to do. But holder, please, if you want to get a profit now, so this is a very huge chance, my friends, to you will get a profit now. So my friends, thanks for but in upcoming time, sometime, my friends, absolutely something is not going to be good now, so therefore I come back now. But please, Vechain holder, in this time the price will not come back down. Absolutely, when a price will starting moving upwards, so therefore I'm really impressed now. To in upcoming time they will give me a lot of money. But you everybody know this, my friends, to Vechain will not give you a profit. Absolutely, my friends, Vechain will completely give you this now. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price is very fastly increasing. But absolutely, when a holder are starting investing, when a holder are starting selling. So thanks for watching, my all viewers, my subscriber. Please don't do anything now. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.